Hepburn. This was an amazing find that I found at a thrift store. सेकेंड हैंड बुक्स का स्टोर था एंड सेकेंड हैंड बुक्स का फेयर भी लगता है हमारी सिटी में. सो दैट्स वेयर आई गॉट दिस बुक. दिस वाज एन अमेजिंग फाइंड. सो व्हेन यू ओपन इट, दिस इज द बुक. एंड ये जो बाहर का कवर है इसके अंदर, these are actually prints. Can you believe? I only paid I think 50 rupees for this. And उसके साथ आ गए थे ऑड्री के 8 prints. ब्रेकफास्ट एट टिफिनीज. ये उसके स्टैम्प्स हैं. आई थिंक चैरिटी के वास्ते उसके स्टैम्प्स बनाए गए थे एंड देन ऑक्शन किए थे. ये बुक के अंदर सब है उसकी लाइफ के बारे में. उसके ये एक मूवी में से है. This is her later in life when she was older, and I think this is when she started her humanitarian activities. This is also from I think a movie or an award show. Audrey Hepburn is an actual, an absolute badass of a woman, of an actress in the industry. Now, if you don't know about Audrey Hepburn, I mean, if you're anywhere in the fashion or even like cinema, if you're interested in those kind of things, you will know about Audrey Hepburn. So इसमें कुछ chapters है उसकी life on screen, private, उसका style and influence and उसका humanitarian जो career था. So it starts like from the beginning of her career. उसने कौन से roles किए. And the thing about her is that the time that she appeared on the screen in the 1950s, तो वो टाइम के जो हीरोइंस थे, they had a very different look. उनका जो स्टाइल था, जो जिस तरीके की ड्रेसिंग स्टाइलिंग उनकी होती थी ऑन स्क्रीन एंड द रोल्स दैट दे प्लेड, इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. एंड जब ऑड्री हेपबर्न आई, सो शी हैड अ मोर लाइक अ बॉyish काइंड ऑफ चार्म इन हर फेस. उसके जो फेशियल फीचर्स है, they are not like the femme fatale kind of features. So it was something very new, and because उसकी acting बहुत अच्छी थी and she played all these good roles in big films, वो बहुत hit हो गई. This is her wedding picture. See here, an absolute icon. यहाँ पर उसके style का भी एक section है, मैं वो बता. Look at the style. Look at this. If you're learning about fashion, oh, I just remembered, मेरे पास मेरिलिन मनरो की भी बुक है कहीं पर. Do you see my memory? I think I have that book somewhere. But ये ऑड्री की बुक मुझे याद थी because I mean, I like her more. So anyways, style, ये जो उसका Givenchy का ड्रेस था, this is in the Met Museum right now, from Breakfast at Tiffany's. तो उसका बहुत influence था. I think Little Black Dress भी यहीं से start हुआ था with that look. Just a black dress with the pearls. ये उसके सारे costumes है जो Met Museum में रखे हुए हैं. Okay. So all these kind of things. And then उसकी humanitarian activities के बारे में भी इसमें दिया हुआ है, which is something that people don't cover. This is her, literally. Later in her life, she became a humanitarian. She was working with UNICEF. In UNICEF, she was going to all these places. यानी पोलियो वैक्सीन यहाँ पर बांग्लादेश में, and all these things. Nobody actually talks about this. I don't know why they do that. They only talk about like breakfast at Tiffany's and वहीं पर बस ख़त्म कर देते. So this is the book. Amazing find, amazing. It is a photography book. It takes like 100 years, a century of photographs इसका नाम है. I was very intrigued by this book because इसके अंदर जो pictures है ना, like reading about history is very different and then seeing it in pictures is very different. Like look at this. Look at this lady horse riding and hunting करती हुई. So when it comes to fashion, because मैं fashion की field में थी, fashion is an interdiscipline. you need the knowledge of history and of different cultures and all these things in order to be like a good fashion designer, in order to be anything at all actually. So ये 1900 का ईयर है एंड ये जो लेडी है शी इज़ अ जर्मन प्रिंसेस who is being escorted by the royal guard in London. She was on a visit or something. Classroom, maybe when you read about the history and the historical dress and the women's suffragette movement like this, that is very different. And then seeing a picture that was captured in the moment is very different. Can you see here? A woman is being dragged back. Jab, if you don't know about this movement, this was when they were fighting to get votes. यानी women should also have the right to vote. तो उसका ये मूवमेंट के टाइम की फ़ोटो है. सी इट्स रिटन हियर वोट्स फॉर विमेन एंड उसने ड्रम पे भी लिखाया हुआ है. This is how you get the inspiration actually. Even if you look at the designers जो आजकल के जो रनवेज हो रहे, once and again there will be a collection that is paying homage or it is referencing maybe something that happened as a historical event or its own यानी जो ब्रांड है उसके जो पुराने कलेक्शंस थे उसको. Look at these ladies. Look at their hats. Gossip कर रही है. Look at this बिंदास lady. यहाँ खड़ी हुई है. Look at these women. You can see in this picture here 1961 में the stiletto pumps का फैशन स्टार्ट हुआ था. देखो आजकल बहुत अच्छे से बनते हैं बट आई थिंक यहाँ पर न्यू जब वो इन्वेंट हुए थे कैसे रिंकल हो रहे हैं ना, मे बी बिकॉज द फैब्रिक वॉज टू सॉफ्ट. आजकल दे नो हाउ टू मेक द पम्प्स, pointed toe pumps. At this time, this horrified the medical professionals. They were like, तुम क्या कर रहे हो अपने शूज़ के साथ? ये भी फोटो बहुत अच्छी है लेफ्ट में. See, they're climbing up, and you can see these two ladies at the bottom. They're climbing up over there. You know what they don't cover in fashion history in class because यानी कितना ही कवर करेंगे. इट इज़ के डेली वेयर जो रोज़ के लोग थे, द कॉमन पीपल, वो क्या पहनते थे उस टाइम पर. सो लुक एट दिस डीवा. ये एक कार्निवल की फोटो है. यू कैन सी हाउ द लेडीज आर ड्रेस्ड. हाँ प्रिंसेस डायना. ये डायना की फोटो. लुक Princess Diana on her wedding day in 1981. इसके आगे के फ़ोटोज़ मैं नहीं बताऊंगी बिकॉज वो वॉर टाइम के पिक्चर्स है. बट एनीवेज दिस वाज एन अमेजिंग फाइंड. दिस आई रिमेंबर फॉर सम रीज़न माय सिस्टर वाज लाइक ये बुक तुम नहीं ले सकते, तुम घर को नहीं लेके जा सकते. एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाई. एंड शी सेड के क्योंकि इसके अंदर के जो पिक्चर्स है वो बहुत ग्राफिक है. बट लाइक आई एम द ओनली वन हु इज़ गोइंग टू लुक एट दीज पिक्चर्स. आई एम द ओनली वन हु इज़ गोइंग टू keep this book with me and look at this book. So she refused to pay for it. So anyways I was already earning at that time so I paid for it myself. I was like मैं pay कर देती हूँ. I don't know how much I paid for this. 250. Anyways, good find. Now this book is a gem of my collection. This is the book Geisha of Gion by Mieko Iwasaki. Do you know the book the Memoirs of a Geisha? तो उसमें की जो गेशा थी, her name is Meiko Iwasaki, and in this book she states the reason why she wrote a book. This is an autobiography. The reason why she wrote this book is that the people who were writing her memoir, the Memoirs of a Geisha, she says that they took her words entirely out of context and उन्होंने कुछ अपनी ही कहानी बना दी as they wanted. These are, of course, these are people of the West. I don't know if it was in America or UK. I don't know about that. But she absolutely hated because when they approached her, they were like, हम आपकी story बताएंगे, जैसे आप कहेंगे वैसे होगा. And they have her voice recordings, उसके साथ उन लोग ने interviews किए. But then they portrayed her entire story in a very like colonial views पे डाल दिया उन लोग ने. जैसे इंडिया में आके बिकॉज ऑफ कॉलोनियलिज्म हमारे बहुत सारे जो completely फाइन ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ें जो चल रही थी, they sexualized it, you know. And so the same thing happened with her, is that they took everything she said completely out of context, and they sexualized the weirdest of things, and she was so mad about it, so she wrote her own book. And this one I remember for 50 rupees. I was actually shopping for magazines Gulmandi mein, and then I saw this, and this is a second hand book. And when I opened it, see, this is a Christmas gift from somebody. Here ये मैंने लिखा है 2020 from a second hand store at 50 rupees. ये किसी ने अपनी माँ को Happy Christmas, lots of love to mom. So it was a gift to somebody's mom. I don't know why it ended up. And यहाँ पर कैसे आ गया? Because these people are not Indian people. So ये जो names है, they are not Indian names. So this book is actually translated by someone. So this was released in Japanese, and then they translated it. This book is amazing. She shows कि वो बचपन से किस तरीके से बड़ी हुई, किस फैमिली में थी, and कैसे उसने how she got enrolled, how she became a geisha, and then there are pictures in this book. This is her family photo. This is the bridge that she's talking about कि यहाँ पर कोई गिर गया था पानी में. हम्म? ये 6 साल की उम्र में उसकी फ़ोटो है. एंड देन ये 7 years ऑफ एज यहाँ पर ये खड़ी है. शी इज स्टैंडिंग विथ हर टीचर, है ना. या सो दिस इज इनसाइड द गियोन. द गियोन इज अ प्लेस where the geishas are enrolled and they are taught how to be a geisha. Okay. She is a butterfly. She is the small one here. She's 10 years of age, and in a play, she's playing a butterfly. And अलग अलग इसमें ये है. Now the story combined with the pictures creates such a vivid indulgence into the memoir. This is in the after she became a lower level geisha. Like there are terms for all of that. I'm not going to go into that because you need to read like the entire thing and you need to have the knowledge. Otherwise मैं कहूँगी कि वो ये बन गई वो बन गई. You will have no idea what I'm talking about. Anyways, she also has this. So she is explaining कि with labels यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है कि कौन सा ornament है, क्या चल रहा है, कौन है, and सारे systems. So this book is such an eye opener. These are her pictures. Okay, this is a real geisha. I almost made like a collection based on this. This is her. This is like the traditional जो geisha का makeup होता है. You will recognize this because this is well known. The garments, oh my god, they are so pretty. The देखो कैसे वो drape and the kimono, the color combinations, they give so much attention to colors and motifs and layerings and season के हिसाब से वो सारे करते थे. इसमें इतना detailed है कि geisha का जो outfit है कौन से परफॉर्मेंस के लिए किस तरीके से वो पहन रही है. सो लाइक दे आर बेसिकली डिज़ाइनर्स देमसेल्व्स. ओके. एंड देन इसमें फैब्रिक के टेक्निक्स भी थे कि जो पेंटेड किमोनोज होते हैं वो, एंड देन जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी होती है वो. एंड आई थिंक शी ऑल्सो डिड अ बिट ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी. This is the picture that's on the cover. She is between performances and she is reading a book. So if you are like artist, designer, or even writer, this ये book बहुत मस्त है. This is such a find. I am never going to let go of this book. Like, if you want to learn about a culture, you learn from the people themselves. You see, I'm going to say something about now what happens when you are searching for inspiration to make a collection. हमारे पास वो होते थे डिज़ाइन कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं ना कॉलेज में एंड देन एट दैट टाइम you have to search for an inspiration that is unique, that is यानी एकदम eye catching, but at the same time it should also be relevant to you. Varna, see, there were people that were taking inspiration from like festivals in China and then they were making outfits based on that. That is fine, but that is not how you're going to win the competition because the judges are seeing कि तुम्हारा कोई लेना देना है नहीं, तुम्हारा कोई चाइना से लेना देना है नहीं, तुम्हारा कोई अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी नहीं है. You just took some pictures एंड वो पिक्चर से मैच करके तुमने डिज़ाइंस बना दिए एंड डाल दिया. सो इट डज नॉट हैव, देर इज़ अ लेवल, देर इज़ अ सर्टेन क्या बोलेंगे स्ट्रेंथ that you add to a collection that you are giving for these, entering for these design competitions, and that is the edge that makes you win. And you need like ekdam bindas wo chahiye. So this, stop taking the inspiration with the cherry blossom trees. हर कोई आकर sakura trees, that has been done so many times over. Get original. 50 रुपए लगे मुझे ये बुक के लिए. And like I chose some other topic that was, it was still Japanese. It was a concept and it was not like the geisha, but somebody could do this, you know and it would be such a good concept. And because you have this book, you can stand in front of the judges and you can look them in the eye and you can be like, I was inspired from the memoir because I visited a thrift shop and this book caught my eye and मुझे बहुत interest है history में and culture में. And when I saw this book, I just got so attached to it and I started to read it and मुझे यहाँ से inspire हुआ. So that is something personal. You have been inspired not just with the Japanese culture, but it was a personal experience, and that will give you the edge. So that's just what I thought about having this book and why consulting books is important. All of that. So मैंने भी एक collection बनाया था and I have another book for that. Maybe I'll show it later. It's not like this. It is more of a concept. So this one and this one and the other one I'm not picking up because it's very heavy. But anyways, go to thrift stores, man. This is how you level up. Okay, bye.